This is a 30mm caliber bullet that was manufactured in the Soviet Union. It is completely packed in a box. When you open the box, you see 3 Duxin iron containers inside. Each container has a label indicating the production number and the quantity of bullets. Every box has a switch which must be pressed using the box's latch to open it, which is not very convenient. When you open the lid, the bullets are wrapped in aluminum foil to prevent noise. There are a total of 18 rounds in the magazine. The color of the magazine is armor piercing. The caliber of this bullet is 30 by 165 millimeters. The magazine can be replaced with a normal or an armor-piercing magazine.